Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we'll be taking a look at this new build here in Lake City, Texas. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a spacious backyard. Let's go take a look. Welcome into this beautiful home. Right whenever we walk in, we are greeted with this large, spacious entryway that has gorgeous tall ceilings. To our left, we have the office. You have a great view of your front yard from here. There's your front door. And right this way, we have our first bedroom. You do have a coat closet here as well. Wi-Fi must be being worked on, but that's that. Here is your first bedroom. Large window in here for all the natural lighting. This bedroom does come with a full bathroom. Lots of storage here in your vanity. And your closet is right this way. Tall ceilings in here as well. Here is your shower. Here you have a little mudroom area for whenever you walk in the house. It has these little cubbies that go all the way back. Here's your garage. 2-car garage, attic access. All right, we're gonna make our way to the right. And here we have bedrooms. Here's a closet for this bedroom. Tall ceilings, so you could definitely add racks if you need to. Here's another bedroom. This window does allow in a lot of natural light. You're gonna have your closet right this way. Same as the other one. And here you do have a full bathroom to be shared with these 2 bedrooms. There's your vanity and your shower. And right here is the laundry room. It does come with these little cubbies for storage and a hanging rack. And there's where your machines would go. You have an extra little cubby here. Maybe you could put a folding station, dog food, whatever. And this way is the kitchen. This kitchen is gorgeous. It has a very pretty backsplash. Nice countertops. Tons of storage in this kitchen with these tall cabinets. Your drawers go way back and they're wide. And here's your under cabinet storage as well. You do have a gas stove here. Your stainless steel sink. Here is your dishwasher. Oh, the cabinets are dual toned. Here, I'm assuming is what would be a trash can right next to your sink. Very convenient. This is where your refrigerator is going to go, right next to your oven and microwave. And And this is your pantry. There is so much storage in this pantry. And right this way, you have what I personally would use as my coffee bar, but you could also use it as maybe a food prep station, perfect for baking during the holidays. You have these large drawers here. And that leads us into the living room. This house does have an open floor plan. There's a really pretty fireplace here with the mantle at the top. Oh, look at that. Underneath your kitchen island, you do have an overhang, so it's perfect for sitting, but underneath, you have all these cabinets for storage. All right, let's go take a look at the primary. Right here, we have a wall cutout. And here is your primary bedroom. You have 3 beautiful windows in here, tall ceilings. You can see your backyard. French doors leading into your primary bathroom. You have this beautiful soaking tub here. And in here, your vanities are split up. They both have tons of storage. Here is a linen closet. Right next to it is your water closet. Super tall back here for one of those storage things if you need extra storage in there. Here is your walk-in shower. Beautiful tiling in here, goes all the way up. And here is your first primary closet. It is split into 2, into his and hers. Racks back here. Cubbies, maybe for shoes, bags. These frosted windows for privacy, but natural lighting. And the secondary closet. Let's go take a look out into your backyard. Right out here, you have your covered patio. You do have outlets out here, perfect for hosting. And here's your backyard. And that is going to conclude our house tour. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below.